I don't want to crush my chips. So put it on the hand and then the mobile bars. Ooh, blowing in the wind. Where is he going? Damn. Oh shit. Forgot to turn my lights on. I'll turn them on here. It happens when you're in the light. There. Now the lights are on for when I get in the dark. We're gonna move that up just a little bit. Yes, we is. Damn it. Wasn't clipped in right. It happens. Pushed on the fucking wrong piece. I don't know where all these people are going. Oh, fuck. I'll go all the way up because people just, yeah, they get confused. That's the first time my light, yeah, I pushed the button and made it fall off. At least I noticed it. Sometimes my backlight I don't get, yeah, totally clipped in. Yeah, backlight I don't get totally clipped in. Should we run her down sidewalks? Fucking people. Get moving. Yeah, I didn't want to break my, well, crush my potato chips by putting them in my backpack. So, yeah. This is going to get my ride home from Walmart because I was not going to. I wasn't going to make this video. Didn't plan on it. It's windy. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. I got a low battery, but, well, not low, it's at 3 bars, so enough to get home, but I didn't want to play in the wind, you know, both ways, so. Yeah. The wind is horrible, and come on, people. You got enough room for your Honda. Actually, I only do about 15 when the battery gets below half. Still fast enough. Oh, this bumpy damn road. And I'm trying to hold the bag because it gets in the way of me using my brakes. But guess when you want to save something. Yeah, I have everything, I remember. Yeah, I wanted to pick up stuff before it rains. I'm trying to make videos like every other day. Every other day. Yeah, I gotta remember not to, don't hit the release clip on your lights when you move them. Let me move them, Chad. Let me move them. Oh, 2 bars. Nice. I haven't charged it in a few days. So. Ease on it, it'll get me up to 4 bars. Oh, damn. Yeah, I was talking to guys with other e-bikes and I still think I want the blue hole. For about $800, shipped. And the same price this was 5 years ago. So, yeah. Plus, at 53 years old, I'm getting pretty much getting to that age where no suspension is just, no suspension is getting to me. I got a suspension seat, but I don't have suspension. So, yeah. No fun. Don't worry, we'll get up here and jump on the big side and we'll walk. Yeah. Big sidewalk. It's all wet from the snow that's been falling. I mean melting. Doesn't help right now. I have a lot of weight on the bike too. So my backpack is full. So it's heavy. I gotta quit the quick trip running. Use the battery a little bit. 17 on level 5. Yeah, my rear light's still on. Making sure. Well, puppy. Don't trust cars. No, I don't. I'm gonna get all wet. I'm past the laundromat. Oh, I didn't want to launch on the brakes with this much weight. Yeah, this much weight. Should be turning green soon. Oh, the cop just went through the light. Yeah, the cop just went through. I'll be going after turn lane. No. Here we go. Biggie light. Yeah, everybody that's got suspension, it got me beat. Suspension and hydraulic brakes, I don't have. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next drive. Charlie Brown, Minnesota, out. Hope everybody was enjoying this weather. Yeah. Hope everybody was enjoying this weather.